This is Peggy with her burping and hiccuping at the same time. And she cannot breathe. I think I'm gonna piss myself.
I think I'm gonna like burp this back up if I drink it.
Ew. She looks like she's hyperventilating. Choke. They will not go away. A hiccup burping bunny. It's like a double take. Is this how you met the Easter bunny? Peg? Is that how you met the Easter bunny on Easter? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Easter?
On Easter.
I have to pee.
I'm gonna piss myself just by watching you. You're jumping up and down like you're... Don't barf, please. It's not going away.
Oh my gosh, these little dishes that really like scare me and I'm I thought it was over.
It's bad attack. It's getting worse.
Okay, I'm gonna chug the rest of it. I can't do it.
Peggy trying to get rid of them, part 2. Nothing works. Take another swig. Chug, 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 chug. Are they done? Oh no. This is an ongoing process. Anything in there?
Yeah, your penis.
Wait. I don't have one. My penis is in Homosassa, in his bed. Oops.
No, he's right outside. I'm just kidding.
Say bye, Hiccup.